Weather and Road to Nationals. Flesh and Blood. Also, the Yugioh pre-release. I'm going to talk about the weekend and how crazy the weather has been here in Eastern Kentucky. If you guys didn't know, we had to reschedule the RTN, the Road to Nationals Flesh and Blood, the biggest event AppalachiaTCG has ever hosted. And man, oh man, Sunday morning it snowed, or Saturday night, Sunday morning, it snowed again. I woke up 7 o'clock Sunday morning to go host this RTN, and I think I cussed everything and anybody that would listen to me cuss. Oh man, talk about stressing out, guys. Running these big events stressed me out. We just now, so also finally hosted my first ever pre-release of Yu-Gi-Oh! That was the night before. That was Saturday night. Big, huge turnout for around here. Huge turnout. 16 players. 16 players. That's why I'm talking about Yu-Gi-Oh! And, man, the Road to Nationals, Flesh and Blood, I rented out Sayersville Amenities, and we're going to continue to do that now because it was just awesome. And stay tuned. I'm going to upload photos and stuff here on YouTube, immortalize this epic thing here in Sayersville, Kentucky. And I want to thank everybody that come out to both events. I want to thank everybody that traveled for the pre-release. I want to thank everybody that traveled for the Road to Nationals. I really, really appreciate you all, and I hope you guys had a great time. It looks like everybody did. Man, what a time. I woke up, like I said, I cussed everybody, I think. I was like, I'm wasting everybody's time, this stupid mother blanking weather. So I just said, well, I'm just going to go, this is the last day you can do it. I'm not rescheduling. This is too much. Like it literally, I don't think I slept good for a week worrying about the weather and people showing up. I was sitting there counting. I was like, I know I at least got 8 players. I think I got 8 players coming. And I got messages, people canceling, freaked me the F out. And I was like, nobody's going to show up in this stupid weather. Tennessee's destroyed. And then people started showing up. I got to the place, started setting up, had people calling me. They was already arriving early, and I was just like, holy crap, this is actually going to happen. We ended up having 25 players on possibly the worst weather conditions I think you could have. Luckily, the main roads were pretty clear, but I did have a lot of canceling. We should have had 30, close to 35, 40 people. I can't express how thankful I am for everybody showing up, guys. I really appreciate it. It was great. It was great for the community. I bet people that traveled here didn't even know Sayersville, McGoffin County even remotely existed. I mean, we had 3-hour, 4-hour drivers that come to Sayersville. And everybody had a great time. We had food on site. I set up and vended a little bit. Running the event, the judging was great. Everybody had a great time. Just thank you, the Flesh and Blood community, for showing up. Thank you for the Yu-Gi-Oh community showing up the night before. I don't want, Flesh and Blood to eclipse what happened the night before, but Saturday was fantastic too. People showing up from all over Kentucky and traveling. But this Road to Nationals was just something else. I don't know. I can't believe I even got to host this thing. It was amazing. All you guys are amazing that showed up. I just, like, the weather here in Kentucky, Eastern Kentucky, has been atrocious. I don't know a better word other than just awful. It has been ice, sleet, snow now. Let's see. Last night it sleeted. So like I'm saying, like all these businesses around here are doing, it's hurting them. I mean, obviously it's going to hurt somebody wants to come to a small store and buy trading cards. So, again, man, I don't know how to thank everybody enough. It was awesome. I met a bunch of cool people. I met other card stores I've been to and played. Man, what a turnout. We even had some locals. We had two brothers, the Franks brothers. They got to go, they got their invites. And Micah's actually very local here at AppalachiaTCG, and his brother is at another card store, which is where Micah's from, in Grayson, Kentucky, and the Smith Dungeon. So we had two very close card stores and traveling. Like I've went to the Smith Dungeon before and played myself. It's where Flesh and Blood kind of originated, really, in this area. And then Micah, of course, here, the Franks brothers, they had to face each other once. They actually had to face each other, and we was kind of hoping for a finale of them matching up again, but they didn't make it to the top two. They made it to the final four, though, and they're going to get their invites. So props to those guys. I'm telling you, it was just an amazing time, guys. It was amazing. Then we had other people that played in the ProQuest before do really well from where are you guys from? Dang it. I'm sorry. I know you got Christopher is his name, come down there. We had some other new guys. Jason won it. He's a cool guy, man. Like, I appreciate you guys coming, and everybody else that plays top 8 and just come out and played. It was awesome. But sorry, things are crazy around here. Now I'm gonna do this video real quick. I got shipping to do. I'm so far behind on TCG Player. I wouldn't even be able to do this. I wouldn't be able to do this without Flesh and Blood and TCG Player, LSS, and all my friends and family and everybody that's participated in everything around here at AppalachiaTCG. Thank you, guys. Flesh and Blood is on Friday nights. Come check us out. I'm going to go ship cards.